Workshop Wednesday, everybody. Here, I've been outside. Oh no, I'm not supposed to be worried about my hair. But it's hot. Gonna rain today, maybe. That's exciting. No, not today. Maybe. I don't know. We're getting older, so we really like weather drama. Show you what I'm doing. Got a cool buckle going on here for my buddy Ben. We're gonna have all kinds of running leaf border going along the sides here. Some flowers, and let me turn that light out, maybe see a little better. Yeah, but there's gonna be an awful lot going on there. It's kind of a cool deal. So a little box buckle. You see all that deal going there? We're gonna engrave all this on the back side there, and the top and bottom all around. And then I want some cuff links too, so I bought these little cuff link deals and on a piece of steel, square steel and silver B. So it's gonna be kind of interesting. Not much room to do any engraving or anything, but cuff links gives me ideas every time I'm at one of them TCA functions wearing my tuxedo. Dang, I ought to make myself some cuff links. That'd be cool. Maybe now that I do it, and I got them the first ones, so get them out of the way. So all good. Tuesdays at 2 yesterday was good. Talked about tips for old men, which that's me. I'm part of that category now. I'm on the younger side of it. I don't want to be old. That's a mentality, but experienced makers, how's that? Keeping the mind sharp and you know, helping Eli's over there chiming. I think he said something about cataracts. I don't know about cataracts. It's all good. But no, you know, that was a good conversation. So with myself, I guess it wasn't. But anyhow, Tuesdays at 2 is fun. Podcast rock and rolling. Had Brian Hawkstrider on there this week. That was really cool talking to Brian. And that guy's an incredible talent and dedicated, committed type individual that does not settle for anything other than the best he can do, and it's fun to know him and fun to see what he does. So that's really good. And then we haven't recorded next week's yet. Well, me and Carrie, we're gonna have to get off our lazy butts. He's been plenty busy too. So all's well. Patreon's good. Patreon rocking and rolling. We Mr. Tommy. Arm's getting tired. I had to put you down for a minute. Resting y'all up here. My buddy, Tommy. What's his name? I forgot people's names. Good grief. My brain farted. My pump's going out on my well. That's why I'm sweating. I was outside. Water well was going down and pumping off. It needs to rain. I'll pray for a little rain. It's going to rain. Good Lord's going to give us a little water. I know it is, but the well's getting a little low. So we're running a sprinkler at the house. Then, the well goes down and we can't pump. You turn the washing machine on and it's all over. Ain't nobody got any water anywhere. Oh well, it's all good. But yeah, anyhow, I forgot all what I was saying. Took a side street. I better focus, get back to work. I had to get my teeth cleaned this morning too. Lots of distractions. Holy mackerel. And Eli's yelling at me, Workshop Wednesday, Willie, hurry up, get your butt going. I did. I hope y'all doing good. We will see you next week at some point. Adios.